tó mú kí wọ́n kábọ̀ sórí ìkànnì ICTV ní gbogbo ibikíbi tẹ́ ti ń wò lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá ti arrest Sowore. Kí ni nǹkan tí wọ́n lọ ṣe? Ìyẹn náà mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ wá wò báyìí, torí pé ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ kan ọ̀rọ̀ kan ló tún ṣẹlẹ̀ táwọn ọlọ́pàá fi arrest ẹ̀. Ẹ rántí pé nínú fídíò tá a ṣe lánàá náà mo sọ wípé àwọn Ìgbò wọn fohùn sílẹ̀ fún un pé kò sẹ́ni tó rán níṣẹ́ o, pé ó dáṣẹ́ ara rẹ̀ jẹ́, kó dẹ̀ tó wá kó bá àwọn sí i ni. Nínú fọ́nrán tẹ̀ ń wò làwọn ọlọ́pàá ti gbá Sowore mú. Wọ́n mú un láti ilé ẹjọ́ ìgbà tó lọ pàdé Nnamdi Kanu nílé ẹjọ́. Ibẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti mú Sowore tí wọ́n sì gbé lọ sí àgọ́ wọn. Ṣùgbọ́n mo wá fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ gan-an. Ẹ já kó farabalẹ̀ ná ká kọ́ gbọ́ nǹkan tí àwọn ọlọ́pàá ìsọ̀ náà ká tó lẹ́sẹ̀ wá sọ ìdí gan tí wọ́n fi arrest ẹ̀. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ dáadáa yìí, ẹ farabalẹ̀.
Are you recording us?
No, I'm recording you.
Are you recording us?
I'm not recording you. I'm recording me.
Put that phone down.
This is my younger brother now. What are you upset about?
Put that phone down.
So you said the commissioner of police said should arrest me?
Yes, we are not
Over
arresting.
what?
Bring you to the office.
By force?
Is it by force? I'm not holding you.
No, well, you said that. So why you then? So we didn't bring a letter of invitation now. That's not your business. When did you start telling people how to wear their clothes?
That's people should not use phone.
Let my car follow me. Is the car here? Yes, sir.
Wait. Baba, wait first.
No, wait, sir. You have to take me with my lawyer, so provide an avenue for.
Your lawyer can come and
Yeah. No, wait, now let him enter first. Clear the thing now. Just, where's this person? Oh,
Where's your second?
where is she now?
She's at the back there.
enter, please.
Can you come? Drive down. How are you now? How far?
No, sir.
Even though you know what you are doing is bad, so
I'm not doing anything.
no problem. Well, you know we had to stand for you when they oppress you. So if you are standing for oppression, you know the problem.
Just follow us. Anywhere we are following us. Please, I wait.
My car is coming. You said it's an invitation. Why are you in a hurry?
I don't understand.
Yes.
Well, only they have the picture.
How are you?
Is this your car?
Yes.
So they follow us from behind.
Let me give them my stuff.
Wait, what did he do?
You see, they shouldn't look for the time when I was able to capture when the police was
Yes, follow them.
Ní báyìí o, iléeṣẹ́ àgọ́ ọlọ́pàá ti wá jáde tán gan-an báyìí. Wọ́n ti sọ̀rọ̀ pé ìdí táwọn fi arrest Sowore ò ní wípé gbogbo àwọn tí àwọn kó lọ́jọ́ protest pátápátá ló sọ wípé àwọn ò mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ o pé Sowore ló kó bá àwọn, wípé kì í ṣèfẹ́nú àwọn làwọn fi jáde lọ́jọ́ yẹn o, pé ṣùgbọ́n nígbà tí Sowore dẹ̀ sọ pé dandan káwọn protest fún Nnamdi Kanu náà làwọn ṣe jáde o, pé gbogbo wọn ló ń dárúkọ Sowore pé ìdí nìyẹn tí àwọn fi ń wá Sowore láti ọjọ́ náà títí tí ó fi di òní, níbi tí wọ́n ti wá gbá Sowore mú ní ilé ẹjọ́ lónìí nígbà tó wá kí Nnamdi Kanu nílé ẹjọ́. Ó ní wọ́n ṣe mú wípé àwọn èèyàn yìí sọ wípé àwọn ibìkan wà tí òfin sọ pé wọn ò gbọdọ̀ ṣe protest lọ́jọ́ yẹn, pé gbogbo ibẹ̀ náà ni Sowore kó àwọn lọ. Ìdí nìyẹn tí àwọn ṣe lọ lọ́jọ́ yẹn. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá wá ní wọ́n ti lu òfin o, torí pé ibi tí wọ́n ní wọn ò gbọdọ̀ dé ni wọ́n dé báyìí o. Ẹ já gbọ́ nǹkan tí iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá tí wọ́n sọ nípa àwọn tí wọ́n mú yìí náà. Ẹ já gbọ́ nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ. Ẹ máa like, ẹ máa share, ẹ máa subscribe sórí ìkànnì yìí.
Today, Sowore has been arrested by the Nigerian Police Force. And you would ask, why was he arrested? It is very simple. The 13 people that were arrested previously all gave their statements, and there is a constant in all of their statements. Every one of them mentioned that one Omoyele Sowore led them into the restricted area in contravention of the court order. So it would be most unfair to charge some people to court and leave the person that led them to commit that more like their leader, the lead protester who told them and took them into the restricted area. And that's why in the spirit of fair play and to ensure that justice is served, Omoyele Sowore was arrested today, and like the others, so he won't spend time with us, he won't spend up to 24 hours with us. Once we wrap up the charges, he's going to be prosecuted. In fact, if everything goes right, our plan is to ensure that he is prosecuted today, he goes to court today. About the Nnamdi Kanu protest and what's the latest on it, you would remember that 8 people were arrested on Monday in the transport area of Abuja. They were arrested because they contravened the court order that restricted movement within those areas. Despite several warnings to them not to move into the restricted area, they charged headlong into the area, and like we warned 2 days before the protest in our statement, that anybody that contravenes the order would be arrested and prosecuted. So, like one, we actually got them arrested, and 5 others in around the Ministry of Finance, also within the restricted area, bringing them to 2013, and they were arraigned the very next day. They didn't spend up to 24 hours in our custody. They were arraigned the very next day, and they've been remanded. Mostly gun running. That's what we have. The times we had kidnappers and all of that in our custody, we also let you know. So tomorrow, we don't know what it's going to be. We don't design things out there. And that's why we don't also try to tinker with what we have to force it to look random. It is what it is. That's how it came this time around. But like I said, I'm going to make this available. You will see that some suspects we have in custody too are actually involved in kidnapping. And so it's not just gun running, there's also kidnapping. I did mention some suspects that our investigation revealed that they supply arms to people that go into armed robbery and cattle wrestling. So this, don't base it on just what you see. The people that have been arrested for having possession of this have also been involved in some of these crimes like gun running, yes, cattle wrestling, and kidnapping. And the total number of suspects. Okay, so let's just give you a summary of the last 1 month we are talking about today. We have 9 suspects in our custody. That's for the person that asked the second question. We have 9 suspects in our custody, and we have 2 AK-47 rifles, 2 AK-49 rifles, 1 locally fabricated AK-47 rifle, and 51 rounds of live ammunition of various calibers. And for the third question, there are continued onslaughts on crime and criminality across the country. The achievements we are presenting today, the achievements of the Nigeria Police Force, were proudly carried out by the Intelligence Response Team, the IRT of the Force Intelligence Department. And this is in furtherance of the charge of the Inspector General of Police, IGP Kayode Adewoye-Gotoken, PhD, NPM, to officers and men of the force to ensure that crime is brought to the barest minimum. Gentlemen of the press, you will see some arms, you will see some exhibits right before you. These are exhibits that have been recovered in the course of investigation being carried out by the IRT. And today, right in front of you, in the past month, this period covers, the period is over a month, just about a month. And so right before you, you will see 7 AK-47 rifles, 2 AK-49 rifles, 5 point action rifles, 15 magazines, 1 locally fabricated AK-47 rifle, 1 locally fabricated shotgun, 1 locally fabricated pistol, 1 axe, 6 machetes, 615 rounds of live ammunition of various calibers, and 14 expended cartridges. That's for a period covering a month. But particularly, we have 5 cases, 5 interesting cases we are highlighting today. We'll definitely make the text available to gentlemen of the press immediately after this briefing. First, we have a case of arrest of suspected gun runners. And in this particular case, men of the IRT.
Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.